this film, huh?
Yeah, we gotta get going.
Y'all ready?
I think so. You could really go for a coffee now, though.
You know what? I've been working on something. Just a second.
Oh, really?
Food replicator. 1 coffee, please. Just wait. Here it
Okay.
comes. Yeah, that's
Here it
right.
comes.
I mean, I used to remember watching Star Trek: The Next Generation.
I
Picard
know,
going
right?
over.
And there it comes.
There it is, layer by
Right there.
layer.
Holy smokes.
There we are. All right, let's speed this up a little bit.
Okay.
And here we go. The extruder's just finishing the top layer there. Boom! That is 1 fine cup of coffee. Captain Picard himself would be proud if it
So
was
that's
tea.
it?
That's it. Give
That's
it a
my
shot.
coffee.
Try it.
All right, here we go.
Inorganic, organic molecules come together, align in perfect harmony to give you...
Wow, that food replicator coffee is perfect.
See? Isn't that great?
Yeah, I guess welcome to the future, eh?
Well, that's right. At least one version of what our future may be.
That's true, I guess, because we never know what the future holds.
That's right. We may live in a world of... What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, right.
That's our notifier.
Yeah, our blink.
Yes.
What
does
wait,
BLINK stand
I
for?
Brilliant Labs Innovation
Notifier.
Challenge?
Challenge, something like that.
Anyway, that's right. So that's our blink. We've got a brand new Brilliant Labs Innovation Challenge, and I think it's all about this future.
Could be, yeah.
Right?
Should we put on our devices and check it out?
Oh, you mean our temporal displacement goggles?
I think
I
so.
think we should.
All right.
Let's check out what this challenge is all about.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna get this.
All right, here we are.
you
Let's
You in?
zoom in. No, I'm still loading. 98, 99. We get a little bit of a lag here. There we are.
Oh, I see you now.
100%.
How you
Okay.
doing? Okay.
Hey, good. All
All
right.
ready to go?
Let's dive into this a little bit.
All right, here we go.
Here we are. We're in some sort of Brilliant Labs virtual reality.
Wow, isn't this awesome? Check that out.
There
over
it is. What is that over there?
I think it's coming this way.
Bring it over.
Okay, here we go.
Bring it down.
Here we go.
The city of the future. What's that?
Well, it looks like it's the next innovation challenge.
That's right. Welcome to the next Brilliant Labs Innovation Challenge, simply entitled...
City of the Future. And this is perfect, hey?
Yeah, it is.
We were talking about this just the other day about what Atlantic Canada would look like in the future.
That's
And
right.
When we were talking about it, we were thinking of things like what would the infrastructure look like here, how the population would change, the architecture, how we're solving environmental problems.
Exactly.
Yeah, all sorts of things.
We also need to make sure that we retain our personality and the traits that make us uniquely Atlantic Canadians.
That's right, because
And-
that's very important too, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So where do they go from here?
Okay, well, on the Brilliant Labs website, we have a guide which helps walk you through this entire challenge from start to finish. Do we have it?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. So go onto our website, access this guide. It takes you through step by step on what the sort of context and everything. There's also some guidelines that we've set, kind of loose guidelines to help frame the conversation that's going to happen in the classroom and things like that.
The physical dimensions of your model city as well.
Exactly. Yeah. To go even further and participate in the end of year showcase,
Yeah.
there's also information on that. You can reach out to us to see how you can participate and what exactly that entails.
So this is a really exciting innovation challenge.
I think so too.
I think we end up
Yeah.
saying that at the end of every video.
But it's true though, every
Right.
time, isn't it?
So let's say that other thing that we also say at the end
Okay.
of every video.
Yeah, I
1,
get
2,
it.
3.
Let's make something brilliant.
There it is.
Yeah.
Great job. All right. To the city
Of the future.